Welcome to Maya Biotech Private Limited, a hub of innovation and excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Surrounded by serene and verdant surroundings, nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Baddi, Himachal Pradesh, this location enhances our focus on maintaining the highest standards in medicine production. Our core operations include the production of injectables, advanced metered dose inhalers, ophthalmic drops, nasal sprays, oral formulations. Maya Biotech began its journey with a clear vision, advancing pharmaceutical manufacturing through innovation and excellence. Over the years, we have grown into a prominent force in the industry, driven by our unwavering commitment to quality and progress. While our manufacturing facility in Baddi epitomizes our dedication. This setting supports our rigorous protocols for cleanliness and effectiveness, ensuring that our products meet the strictest quality benchmarks. At Maya Biotech, we offer a diverse range of pharmaceutical products. Our core operations include the production of injectables, crafted in state-of-the-art sterile environments. We also manufacture advanced metered dose inhalers, nasal sprays, and ophthalmic drops addressing various therapeutic needs. Our innovative oral formulations are developed to meet a wide array of patient requirements. Innovation is central to our mission, reflected in our research and development division, which focuses on formulation development, process optimization, and upholding the highest quality standards. We continuously refine our existing products and explore new therapeutic solutions to remain at the forefront of the industry. Equipped with advanced laboratories and cutting-edge technology, Maya Biotech invests continuously in the latest innovations and skilled personnel to maintain our competitive edge. We conduct rigorous testing and adhere to stringent quality control measures to ensure our products comply with the highest regulatory standards and EU GMP guidelines. Quality assurance is integral to our operations. Our commitment to quality and ethical practices is evidenced by numerous certifications and accolades, underscoring our dedication to excellence. With a robust international presence, Maya Biotech exports to countries across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Our vision is to become a globally recognized leader in the pharmaceutical industry, setting new benchmarks for safety and efficacy. We are committed to positively impacting global healthcare by providing innovative and effective solutions to patients worldwide. Maya Biotech Private Limited. Innovating for a healthier tomorrow.